Hi Keystone Nation, I'm Tim Price, District Sales Manager here with Sprinter. Today we're going to take a look at the 25 ml, a brand new floor plan, which brings our offering up to 18 different floor plans that you can buy. Price range is anywhere from $42,000 to $65,000. We focus on providing superior quality, excellent space, and superior towing quality for our customers and families as they continue to grow. Sprinter is Keystone's flagship brand, so it was the first brand ever introduced here at Keystone, and we constantly are looking at ways to provide you with more value for your money. There's a few highlights I want to show you on the outside of the camper here, folks. One being this lovely wall of windows that we have here on your campsite, which is going to offer you great visibility for your campsite and also excellent light when you're inside the coach. The other thing is we're providing you with a beverage fridge on the outside, so that way you can keep your beers, sodas, whatever cold when you're outside and you don't have to go inside to grab a drink. Now we can walk on the inside and I'll show you some of the highlights when we get into there. First off, I just want to identify why we made this floor plan and who it's for. We traditionally designed this for couples who are looking for a small coach because this is 29 feet, 11 inches long, weighing in at 8,500 pounds. So what this is really going to do is allow families to travel and hit all those national park campgrounds and everywhere that typically they couldn't go with the bigger units. One of the first things I want to highlight with Sprinter is the fact that we've always had a 100-inch wide body frame. What that gives you is a lot of extra living space that you're not going to get in a lot of our competition's floor plans. So it's going to give you the availability to have a lot of room to move around and have tons of people over to interact in your coach. The other thing I'll highlight is this lovely Alpine cabinetry that we added this year. Gives it a lovely light, bright interior where you can just add a couple decor touches here to make this coach truly feel like your own. You'll notice right away the first thing I pointed on the outside was the lovely wall of windows that you're going to have here. It's going to give you a great viewing space for your campsite, tons of natural light in here. One of the best features that we had about this RV. You'll also have a TV that's amply spaced for your seating. You'll have your sound bar, your fireplace. That obviously puts out 5,000 BTUs of heat, so it's great for if you just want to take the chill out of the air when you're camping. You'll notice our brand new 21-inch stainless steel oven, stainless steel microwave, tons of cabinet space, stainless steel sink. You do have the option for the 8 cubic foot gas electric fridge, and also we've added the 12 volt. And then we were able to squeeze in a really large pantry for all of your extra stuff when you're out camping. In your slide out, you have two options for your dining area, folks. You have your traditional booth dinette, and then you also have a freestanding table with 4 chairs. You do have your awesome theater seating with lights, USB, and massage. Amply spaced right across from your TV for optimal viewing. You do have a lovely coat rack here with some cork for some storage and stuff. And as you can see when we were talking about the 100-inch wide body, you have tons of room for friends and family when they come to visit you in your lovely new Sprinter. Now some of the highlights in the bathroom that I'd like to talk about, folks, are vanity here with nice storage, single piece stainless steel bowl, 2 drawers, another cabinet for storage. Probably a staple in almost all Sprinter floor plans are the single piece fiberglass shower, which is great because a lot of RVs in our price point don't offer that. You have tons of storage here for towels and linens, extra clothes if you want, and a single piece porcelain toilet. And then you also have your max air fan in your bathroom as well. So walking into the master bedroom, you'll notice that there are 2 entrances in for you for convenience. I want to highlight some things that we do here at Sprinter in your master bedroom. We do offer a wardrobe slide, so you have tons of storage. You have underbed storage as well. You'll have 2 vanities on each side of the bed, so you'll have space for CPAP machines, recharging your phone, all the things that people typically need. One of the things I want to highlight while we're in the bedroom, because you can get a good shot of it, is this new patent pending Blade air conditioning system. We designed it here at Keystone for one reason, because we've heard from tons of people that you can't keep your coach cool. This will actually cool your coach 20% better than anything else out on the market. We're very excited about it here at Keystone and can't wait for it to get out into the field. A few things to highlight now that we're back on the outside. One is the 3-year transferable warranty that comes with every Keystone Sprinter, and then also the color-coded wiring inside every Sprinter every time. I'd like to thank you guys for taking the time today to walk through this brand new Sprinter 25 ml floor plan with me. As always, if you have any more questions or comments or anything like that, you can talk to a Keystone advisor, or you can go on to www.keystonerv.com/Sprinter. Thanks again.